If a girl says this, she's friend-zoning you, and how to escape it. You've been texting, laughing, and sharing memes for weeks. The vibe feels great, and you're sure there's chemistry. Then, out of nowhere, she drops a line that hits like a brick. "You're like a brother to me." Or worse, "I don't want to ruin our friendship." Suddenly, all your romantic hopes freeze faster than a penguin in Antarctica. Friend-zoning isn't just a plot twist in bad romantic comedies. It's real, and it stings. But here's the kicker. Her words reveal hidden exits if you know how to decode them. In this article, we'll break down 6 common friend-zoning phrases and the tactical escape plans that can flip the script. 1. You're like a brother to me. This is the ultimate shutdown. She's not just putting you in the friend zone. She's building a fortress around it, complete with moats and dragon guards. Translation: you've become her emotional safe space, the guy she trusts but doesn't see romantically. Most guys respond by doubling down on kindness, thinking that more attention will change her mind. That's a mistake. How to escape? Stop acting like a brother. Brothers don't create romantic tension. Pull back. Prioritize your own life and reduce availability. Drop hints about dating others. "Yeah, I've got drinks with someone later. Wish me luck." Add playful teasing when she overshares. "Careful, or I'll start charging for therapy sessions." Increase physical presence. Eye contact, casual touches, and standing closer than usual. You're breaking the sibling spell by subtly shifting your energy from harmless to intriguing. 2. I don't want to ruin our friendship. This means she values your company, but doesn't see a romantic future. She fears that dating could jeopardize the comfort she gets from your presence. Translation: you're her emotional security blanket, but not someone she envisions dating. How to escape? Casually reply, "Totally get it. Just so you know, I'm not out here collecting more friends." Let the silence do the work. Reframe interactions to feel more like dates. Instead of casual meetups, invite her to events with romantic energy. Rooftop bars, jazz festivals, or candlelit dinners. Cut out late-night deep talks about her problems. If she still insists on being just friends, bow out with confidence. "I'm looking for something real, not a backup plan." If she truly values you, she'll reconsider. If not, she was never an option in the first place. 3. I'm not looking for anything right now. This sounds like a soft rejection, but often, it's not entirely true. Women who say this are usually open to dating, just not with you. Translation: she doesn't see you as exciting enough, but wants to keep you around as a backup. How to escape? Mirror her energy. Same. "I'm just enjoying meeting new people." Start actually meeting new people. Post social outings where you're with other women. Reduce text frequency. Keep interactions fun, but don't be the one always reaching out. If she asks about your dating life, smirk and say, "Why? Are you trying to slide into my DMs?" This shift makes her see you as someone with options, triggering curiosity and attraction. 4. We're better off as friend. She has mentally locked you into a platonic role. She enjoys your presence, but the spark isn't there. Translation: you're too predictable and always available. How to escape? Create mystery. Stop being instantly available for every hangout. Introduce a new side of yourself. If she always sees you in casual settings, shift to more confident, exciting environments. Pick up a new skill or hobby that surprises her. Just got back from a motorcycle workshop. Turns out I'm pretty good at engine repair. When she asks about your life, don't overshare. Instead say, "Wouldn't you like to know?" If she starts showing more interest, you've successfully reset the dynamic. 5. You're too good for me. At first glance, this sounds like a compliment. But in reality, it's a polite rejection. Translation: you're safe, predictable, and not triggering attraction. How to escape: stop always saying yes. If she asks for favors, reply playfully, "What do I get in return?" Add a little edge to your style. Think fitted clothing, bolder colors, or accessories that break the nice guy image. Share experiences that show depth, like the time you took a solo trip or made a bold career move. Challenge her playfully. If she says she doesn't like sushi, reply, "Let's fix that Friday night." By showing confidence and unpredictability, you shift her perception of you. 6. I've never thought of you that way. This is the nuclear option. She's not just friend-zoning you, she's pretending the idea of dating you never existed. Translation: she doesn't currently feel attraction, but attraction isn't static. How to escape: go completely off the radar for 2 to 3 weeks. No texts, no casual hangouts. Use that time to upgrade. Hit the gym, change up your wardrobe, and start new hobbies. When you reappear, be warm but aloof. If she asks where you've been, say, "Just living life, you know." Invite her out with confidence. "We should grab drinks Friday." And no, this isn't a friend thing. If she hesitates, laugh it off. Relax, it's just one drink. Unless you're scared you'll like it. This forces her to rethink how she sees you. 7. I don't want to lead you on. She knows you're interested, but she's keeping you at arm's length. Translation: she enjoys your attention but doesn't want to commit. How to escape: stop providing boyfriend benefits without commitment. Shift focus to women who reciprocate your energy. Politely distance yourself. "I appreciate the honesty, but I'm looking for something more." 8. You deserve someone amazing. She's trying to let you down easy. Translation: she doesn't see herself with you but wants to avoid confrontation. How to escape: agree and take control. "I do deserve someone amazing. I guess I should start looking." Pull away and refocus on women who truly appreciate you. 9. You feel like family. This is just a softer version of "you're like a brother to me." How to escape: detach emotionally. Limit interactions where you're just comforting her. Showcase your dating life subtly to create intrigue. 10. Know when to walk away. Not every friend zone can or should be escaped. If she's still treating you as an option after you've made your move, the ultimate power play is to leave. Tell her, "I'm looking for someone who's sure about me," and mean it. The right woman won't need convincing. She'll make it clear that you're her first choice. By understanding these phrases and implementing the right strategies, you can either flip the script or free yourself to find someone who genuinely wants to be with you. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.